Welcome to our channel, a space dedicated to personal growth and achieving your full potential. In today's video, we're tackling a topic that many of us struggle with: how to stop procrastinating. Procrastination can hold us back from reaching our goals and realizing our dreams, but fear not. We're here to explore effective strategies to overcome this common challenge. Join me as we dive into the psychology behind procrastination, understand its impact on our lives, and learn practical techniques to break free from its grip. The procrastination conundrum. Procrastination is a universal struggle that can hinder our productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. In this segment, we'll delve into the reasons why we procrastinate. From the allure of instant gratification to the fear of failure, we'll unravel the psychology behind this habit that often derails our progress. The impact of procrastination. Procrastination isn't just a harmless habit. It can have profound effects on our goals and aspirations. We'll explore how procrastination can lead to missed opportunities, increased stress, and a sense of unfulfillment. By understanding its consequences, we can harness the motivation to overcome it. Unmasking the triggers. Identifying the triggers of procrastination is essential in combating this habit. We'll discuss how external factors like distractions and lack of structure can play a role, as well as internal factors such as self-doubt and perfectionism. By recognizing these triggers, we can create a strategy to circumvent them. Practical techniques to overcome procrastination. Now, let's explore practical techniques to conquer procrastination. From the Pomodoro technique to the 2-minute rule, we'll uncover strategies that can boost productivity and help you stay on track. By incorporating these techniques into your routine, you can develop a proactive approach to tackling tasks. Cultivating a proactive mindset. Overcoming procrastination requires a shift in mindset. We'll discuss the importance of setting clear goals, visualizing success, and developing a sense of purpose. By aligning your actions with your aspirations, you'll find the motivation to overcome the lure of procrastination. The role of self-discipline. Self-discipline is a key ingredient in the battle against procrastination. In this segment, we'll explore techniques to enhance self-discipline, such as setting boundaries, managing your environment, and practicing self-control. By mastering self-discipline, you'll gain the power to resist procrastination's pull. Celebrating progress. Celebrating even small victories is crucial in overcoming procrastination. Acknowledging your accomplishments, no matter how minor, can fuel your motivation and reinforce positive habits. We'll discuss the importance of self-reward and self-compassion in this journey. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of how to stop procrastinating, remember that breaking free from this habit is a journey. By understanding the psychology behind procrastination, identifying triggers, and implementing practical strategies, you can overcome its grip and achieve your goals. If this video resonates with you, I encourage you to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these techniques. Thank you for being an integral part of our community. Here's to taking proactive steps towards a more productive and fulfilling life. By conquering procrastination, you're paving the way for a future filled with achievement, growth, and success.